Say hello to the Dill Bluetooth Aftermarket Tire Pressure Monitoring System, the only retrofit Bluetooth TPMS made on OE assembly lines using OE components and created in collaboration with Dill using our 20 years of experience in the TPMS industry. This customizable system can alert the driver of a low and high tire pressure, high tire temperature, missing tire and wheel assembly, and rapid tire deflation. The sensors are mounted inside the tires for the safest and most accurate way to measure tire pressure and internal tire temperature. And the display screen is a familiar device to most, your smartphone. Just download the zero-cost and ad-free app from your Apple or Android smartphone and be monitoring the purchased sensors as soon as they're installed. The sensors can be mounted to the back of the valve stem or can be band mounted to the wheel if needed. The setup within the app can be completed in just a few minutes. First, select your preferred layout. There are default 2, 4, and 6 tire configurations, and the custom configuration allows monitoring up to 38 tires. Next, learn the new sensors to the app. This can be done before installation by scanning the QR code on each sensor, or after installation by manual input or slow deflation. See our user manual for more details. The final step is to input the recommended cold inflation pressures for your tires. The precise acceptable tire pressures and high tire temperature warning label can also be adjusted for each axle. If you aren't sure of your recommended cold inflation pressure, contact your tire dealer. Within the first mile of driving, all tire pressures should be displayed. On certain long applications, a signal repeater may be required. Contact us for more information.